how to download Samsung Music application on your Samsung device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download the Samsung Music application on your Samsung device. So if you have mistakenly uninstalled or your application might have been corrupted or some issue has been come up to your Samsung Music application, then what you can do is simply head back to your Play Store, and once you're inside here, simply search in for the Samsung Music, or you can also see it here. So let me just show you by searching it, Samsung Music. Simply search in for that, and once you search it, simply click on Samsung Music and hit install, and it will re-download it on your device, which will automatically fix your corrupted issue if it was previously. So just like that, you have successfully reinstalled or downloaded Samsung Music application on your device. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.